How to change dimension in the Filmora editing app. If you use Filmora to edit your videos and photos and want to change the dimension or resize, then this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit. Now to change the dimension, tap onto the video timeline just right here. Then here you can find the crop option just right here. Now tap on it. Now to change the dimension, here you can find the options right here. Now tap onto one of these to change the dimension of it. Now tap onto one. And now you can see the dimension has been changed. Now choose one that you want to add just like this and tap onto the check mark. And now you can see the dimension has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change the dimension of the video in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.